particularly first here we have to create a GL cash discount account. The same way we have created the cash discount received account. Here
Okay.
the name will be cash discount allowed.
Okay.
So to the difference between the discount received and the made.
Yeah. Okay.
Although the group is different, but still we fill the proper names. There received and here it will be allowed.
Okay.
It will become under the expenses part. So we can fill all the information or we can just copy any GL account of the expense and change the name of the account only.
Okay.
Because rest the things are same, sort key, the field status group, the account group, rest the things are same because it is a
Okay.
part of the expenditure. And if you save, if you copy any purchase account, purchase return or sorry, yes, the purchase one, purchase account or any other expense account, you have to just change the name of it.
Okay.
Then next is to assign the cash discount allowed account to the chart of account. The working is same like we have assigned it the cash discount received account to the chart of accounts.
Okay.
Same working, just the T code is different and the navigation path has little change.
Okay.
Like earlier we go on the outgoing one, now we go on the incoming payment.
Yes.
Minor change. Then the defined payment term is same, just the navigation path is changed, but the T code is still the same. OBB8.
Okay.
T code is same, but navigation path is changed. And if you want to assign the same payment term, which we have, you have created any payment term,
Yeah. Created.
so you can assign the same or you can assign the standard one
Okay.
to the particular customer. So if you, and the next step is that the customer creation, you can create a new customer or you want to assign to the old customer. We can do both the things.
Okay.
But I'll prefer you to create a customer again because right now you have just created the two customers.
Okay. Sure.
So you will have the practice of it, how to create it. And if you want to change, you have to just go on the payment term slide after the
Yeah.
reconciliation account, and there you will fill the payment term.
Okay.
And then while you try to make the payment, it will you have to fill the less amount after the discount amount which you are going to receive, the net amount. Like for example, you have the invoice of 80,000. If the payment term was there approx 5%, so instead of 80,000, you have to fill the 76,000
Okay.
for the payment receipts. And then after once the payment has been properly made, you will have the proper invoice. In
Okay.
case of the full payment, simple working, just the amount 75 and payment processing. But in case of the partial payment, the discount amount is by default applicable on the whole invoice amount.
Okay.
So, for example, if the payment term says that if the payment is made within the 10 days, you will have the 5% discount. You have done the 50% payment initially, and then you will rest do the 50% payment. If you are receiving the payments within the 10 days, then on the rest amount will be received net amount less discount. The invoice amount, not the net receipt amount.
Okay.
Means if the invoice is 1 lakh, you have received 50,000. So now discount will be applicable on by default 1 lakh. And I guess we have seen this while the tolerance group. It is by default.
Yeah.
Icon was selected there. So it will by default apply on 1 lakh even though we have partially received the amount. But if it crosses the 10 days, then the discount term will be changed. Then
Okay.
whatever the term will be there, for example, from 5% to it is 3%, so then 3% will be applicable
Okay.
on the gross amount of the invoice, not the amount which we have to finally receive.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, it's clear.
So just uh, start creating the GL account first.
Okay.
Now next is to assign the this particular GL account to the chart of accounts.
Okay.
NOVXI. Press enter. Click on save. Fill the particular cash discount allowed account which you have just created. Multiple accounts you have. Don't worry, it is 3006, na?
Yeah, it's
So just save it. You have created multiple accounts, that's why it's not visible. But
okay.
if you go on searching it, it will be visible to you.
Okay.
So changes have been made. Now, if you want to have a view of the payment terms, you can view that and then create a customer and assign a particular. Just press yes. We have to just view it because we already created it.
Okay.
No, you have processed the wrong T code.
Yeah, NOBV8.
Hmm. So you can assign any standard payment term or the payment term which we have created already.
Okay. So this is the one created. So I just need to click on this.
No, no. You
Okay.
have to create a customer,
Okay.
and there you have to assign it
Okay.
because it is already created.
Yeah, it's created
So
already.
just you have to assign it to the
Okay.
particular customer.
Okay.
So create a new customer and assign it. Account group. was the name of the customer account group?
I think customer account group, domestic customer account group for 517, I think.
So slide from the down arrow, you will have view of it.
Okay.
It is customer, then it will be domestic customer, na? The name is.
Yeah.
No, no, it will be seen on the top side because it is the alphabetic wise, it is arranged in.
Okay.
Domestic customer for 5-1. Middle slide. Maybe another name.
Yeah, I think I don't remember. I'm sure it's
Okay, wait. We have a way out. Uh, Open a new screen. It will take the T code slash no bar where we assign the number range to a
number.
customer.
Yeah.
Group identification. On position. It's domestic customer group. It will not easily visible. So we'll do one thing. We'll just change the or make some additions in the particular customer, the name of the customer account group.
Okay.
So go on the T code slash and OBD 2, the account group creation.
Okay.
Position 517. Open the account group. Add 517 here. It will be easily visible. Yes, now save.
Are you going to assign number ranges, right?
No,
Mm.
no, no. We have just changed the name.
Yeah.
So just create the customer now.
Okay.
We have just changed the name of it so that it will be visible to us.
Yeah. Okay.
All the rest of the things we have already done. So now if you try to search, it will be easily visible to you. Process once, type 517 on the keyboard. Just type randomly 517. It is not
It's
working.
not coming. Yeah.
Okay, just click on the down arrow. Now try to process 517. It's not searching this time. Okay, just slide down. It will be easily visible for you now because we have give the proper identification. Little more. Here it is. Now create a new customer. Only company. Any name.
Okay.
your particular sundry debtors account. Uh, Now sort key. Now there is a icon on the next page next to the general data. Little up on the no, don't save it. Next icon, between the additional data and the general data there is a page icon with the arrow towards the additional data. Next
This
tab.
one.
Yes, fill the payment term here. Now save it. You see, payment term is not required part. So if you try to save it before filling it, it will directly save the customer. But
Okay.
reconciliation is by default required.
Okay.
So that's for payment, assigning the payment term, you have to click on the next page. Otherwise, if there is no payment term, you can directly save it.
Okay.
But if you want, you can change it to required as well within the account group.
Okay.
There's another screen open, na? We already opened it.
Yes.
Go on that screen. Keep that screen as it is. It will be easy for to view the customer number as well.
Okay.
Process the T codes NOBD/NOBD2. Particular account group 517. Open it. On the company code data. Company code data.
Okay.
General data is for the address and the rest personal details.
Okay.
Here we have required the account management, which is required for our working.
Okay.
But if we want to require any other things, we can require it from here. So
Okay.
for the payment term, take a step back. Payment transactions. If you require the term of payment, you have
Yeah.
to fill the payment terms by default.
Okay.
If it is standard, that is the 0000 on the due date, or if there is any 0001, 0002, anything else. So it is by default required. If you just tick it and save it, by default, whenever you create a new customer, you have to fill a payment term.
Okay.
On due, due after 10 days, 20 days, any payment term.
Okay.
So if you want to require it, just save it. Or if you don't want to, you can just change it.
Okay.
Now create a normal sales invoice. NFB 70. Normal invoice.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Normal sales account. Just save it. Have you filled any blind dates?
No, I didn't fail.
Okay. Okay. Just process the payment. The value was 40,000, no?
50, 50.
50. Okay. So, and the payment term was 5%.
Yes.
So, make the payment of 30 less 47,500. Full standard payment.
Okay.
F dash 28. Process open item. No. No, no. Something is not right. If the payment term was properly configured and assigned to the customer, here it will give the cash discount. Not to make the payment of this particular invoice.
Okay.
Instead, just process a T code. FD slash and FD03.
D, right?
Just for creating the customer, it is 1. For changing and for changing, it is 2, and for display 3.
Yeah.
So just no, no, it's processing the wrong. One second. Slash and FD03. Okay, press enter. Go on payment transactions. Take a step back from the top arrow. Process the T code instead of 03, 02. Okay, now click on the next page icon between the company code data and the additional data. Again, next page. Go on. Again, the second party. Again, no, there is no. Process again. Click on the company code data once. Reconciliation. Click on the payment transaction. 517. It is properly. It's not applicable.
Shall we check the terms of payment whether that is done correctly?
Uh, Change the payment term to. Check the payment terms once from here slide. I guess maybe it is not assigned properly.
Okay.
Seems like. Okay. Keep just save it. Click on save and go on the T code for the assigning of the payment term. No, no, the assigning one.
Signing.
OBXU. Enter. Let's see. 1 second. Application. Uh, the says the T code slash and OBXI for this one. Enter. Check it as the right account, GL account 3006. Click on the search icon, the next here. On the from the top, third one. Count is correct. What's the issue? Mm, okay, go on the just select it and save it, and go and process the T code slash NFS 00. Press enter. Go and control data. Click on edit. Edit. No, no. Click on edit. Just tick this particular point. Posting without text allowed below the text category and save it. Okay. Now try to process the payment. Click on process open item. Still it's not picking up. You've already done the payables part now in this particular company code.
Yeah, I've done, sir.
And what was the tolerance group limit?
For discount,
Yes,
it was 10%.
was also under the limit. 50,000. Why it's giving the issue? Review is okay. Assignment is done. Customer creation is okay. Mm, uh, I'll just check it once, and
Okay.
we'll continue with this in the tomorrow class.
Okay.
Maybe some configuration or something is not correct. I'll just check once all the your configurations,
Okay.
and then in the next class I'll let you know.
Okay.